Let me go with the problem number 29, right here. Let us check out. The question is what? See, Ram, Shyam and Mohan runs at a speed of 75, 50 and 30 meters per minute respectively. After how much time will they meet together for the first time running with the same speed? This is a simple LCM problem. You need to take LCM of that, you will get the answer. You know how to take the LCM. Ram, the speed of Ram is 75 meter per minute, correct, and as well as for Shyam it is 50 meter per minute, and Mohan it is 30 meter per minute. So we are supposed to find the LCM of these three speed, that is 75, 50 and 30. Let us start finding LCM here. So I will go with the 2, right here. 75 I can't divide, 50 I can divide 25 and as well as 15. Then I will go with the 5 15s are 5 5s are 5 3s are. Again I will go with the 3 or 5, I can go 5 3s are 5 1s are and 3. Now next I will go with the 3 1s are 1, I can't divide, so 1. So the LCM of this is 2 into 5 into 5 into 3. Now multiply it. So 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 53s are 150. This is 150 minutes, correct? 150 minutes. Now I will divide this. So this is going to be 150 that divided by 60, right. So now simplify it, 0 0 will be cancelled. Now 15 by 6, again 3 2s are and 3 5s are, so 5 by 2 hour. The answer here is 5 by 2 hour.